Hello everyone, welcome to very important and very interesting chapter in organic chemistry, haloalkanes and haloarenes. This chapter carries 6 marks in your board exams as 1 mark question in part A and 5 mark question in part D or part E. Let us look at few objectives of this chapter. In this chapter, we will going to study the classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. The classification is of two types. First one is based on the number of halosatoms attached, and second one is based on types of hybridization. Next, we will also study how to name haloalkanes and haloarenes according to trivial and UPAC nomenclature. UPAC means it is a standard organization, International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. This organization gives specific rules and regulation for naming the organic compounds. We will also discuss what are the various methods of preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. We will also discuss its physical properties like melting point, boiling point, solubility, density and etc. And in chemical properties like chemical reactions, mechanisms, SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. Next, we are going to discuss the stereochemical principles. These stereochemical principles which are very helpful to understanding the various chemical reactions, chemical mechanisms, and last one is we have to study the environmental effects of polyhalogen compound, haloalkanes and haloarenes. The name itself indicates that these are the alkanes containing halogen atoms in them. And what are halogens? The halogens are group 17 elements of periodic table. These elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. For all kind of reaction we use only fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, but not astatine because it is a radioactive element. Astatine is not used in chemical reaction. Let's see the definition of haloalkanes and haloarenes. When hydrogen in aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbons is replaced by halogen atoms is indicated by X, then haloalkane and haloarene is formed correspondingly. Here hydrocarbon means these are the compounds of carbon and hydrogen. Aliphatic hydrocarbon means these are straight chain hydrocarbons. For example, C2H6, that is ethane. We write this C2H6 as CS3. This is the example for aliphatic hydrocarbon. And aromatic hydrocarbon, it is a closed chain hydrocarbon or ring shaped hydrocarbons. Best example is benzene. It is having formula C6H6 and its structure is like this. Six carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms, 3 double bonds, 1 double bond, 2 and 3 hydrogen atom. Here is also one hydrogen atom. Okay, let us see the definition. When hydrogen in aliphatic hydrocarbon, this is the example of aliphatic hydrocarbon. Here is the hydrogen of aliphatic hydrocarbon is replaced by the halogen atoms, that X may be, it may be chlorine, fluorine, bromine and iodine. Look at this. Here one of the hydrogen in ethane is replaced by halogens. Here CH3 becomes CH2 and one hydrogen is replaced by halogen. It will form haloalkane. Similarly, in aromatic hydrocarbon, this hydrogen is replaced by halogen atoms, or this hydrogen is replaced by halogen atoms, and like this haloarenes are formed. Haloalkane. In haloalkane, where halogen atom is attached to an sp3 hybrid carbon atom. In haloarene, halogen atom attached to an sp2 hybrid carbon atom. The examples are ethyl bromide and phenyl bromide. In ethyl bromide, here bromine is attached to the carbon which is having sp3 hybridization state, and in phenyl bromide, bromine atom is attached to the carbon atom which is having sp2 hybridization state. Before going to classification and nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes, we will discuss the what are important applications of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes and haloarenes are used as flame retardants, propellants, solvents and pharmaceuticals. Flame retardants means these can prevent or inhibit or stops the growth of fire. This flame retardant stops the growing of fire. And propellants means these are explosive like substances that causes something to move or something to displace. And as solvents, haloalkanes and haloarenes are used as solvents for non-polar compounds. And as pharmaceuticals, these are used as medicines. Chlorine containing antibiotic chloroamphenicol is used for the treatment of typhoid fever. Most important antibiotic chloroamphenicol is one of the application of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Here two chlorine atoms attached to the aliphatic chain. This carbon is having sp3 hybridization. And next application is chloroquine is used for the treatment of malaria. This is also application of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Here the chlorine is attached to the aromatic structure. Next application is DDT, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. It is the first chlorinated organic insecticide. Here the two chlorine atoms attached to the two phenyl rings, and these chlorine atoms are attached to the aliphatic system. This is all about the introduction of haloalkanes and haloarenes. In next video we will discuss classification, nomenclature, physical properties, chemical properties,